It's okay for you to cheat on me, China. How exactly is that supposed to make me feel? When it's not this guy, it's that guy. It's that guy. Hey, girlfriend. I mean, China. I deserve better. I deserve better.
I guess I had to cheat because you're a cow, you're big, you look like a blob, you're disgusting.
Not to be rude. It just came to me. Your thought. You bitch. You're a slut. You're a whore.
Blob, really? Blob Kardashian? Really calling me a slut? And I'm actually wearing Kim Kardashian's hair? Yeah, right now.
In my opinion, China, we should stay together. I mean, I love you like Mariah and that old guy.
Yeah, big idiot boy. You gonna make China just come and take out everything? The girl there, the stinking girl there. Some of man must take on because a pure idiot girl and you go take up. Why you never there with Curvy Diva when you come down for Brick Jam? Why you gonna take up back China? Idiot.
No, Sam, is this some sort of joke, right? How am I going to done this gal? We're just not gonna respond. Meet me at my dressing room.
I know I'm sexy, right?
Ain't that the truth? Who is this bitch?
Curvy Diva, beautiful girl, met her.
Hurry up and chat no man, idiot boy. If me never still love Aishana no man, me look your girl, you know.
She's beautiful, she's clean. Met her in Jamaica the other day, you know, she's lovely. They call her the Jamaican Barbie, you know.
Did somebody say Barbie? Barbie, straight nose, dreamy eyes, and kissable lips. Me can beg your microwave, pretty please.